I have a reasonable, legitimate amount of concern that I do not know how to make it back to be the guy who is working on this truck. But as I sit here with my epic Greece vacation behind me, I'm reminded of the fire that once burned inside of me about this. I want to rekindle that passion, rediscover. Let me tell you something. This project has two categories of problems, and that's the physical build and the legal paperwork. If you followed along, you know that eventually they took the tag from me. I have not been able to drive it. I have not been able to drive this. I now have an affidavit to take to DMV. I've made an appointment for this Friday. I feel that if the engine can come alive, if this truck can move again, then that's going to jumpstart the back. I have yet to go inside. I don't know what's waiting for me. I think the third video of this playlist, the original last season playlist, was, I think it's titled, I Made My First Mistake. It is inevitable that this back is gonna come off. Let's not talk about that right now. Let's start. Come on. Trying to remember. I left this ambitious project behind. Now I want to assess what happened in my absence. I haven't opened that door yet. All of this is part of the journey to turn that dream into the reality. Right now I don't remember the dream. Friday, if I can knock over the dominoes that will eventually deliver a tag and registration, oof. Not that I forgot, it's been a while. It's amazing. It's actually very cool in here, temperature-wise. It's interesting because it is exactly what I said. It's about remembering. Who remembers this? This, and... All right, let's take the back plywood off. Oof. My Greek vacation was always an excuse of why I wasn't going to move forward too fast. I was like, oh, I can't put the solar on because I'm leaving. Oh, I don't want to install the refrigerator, I'm leaving. I'm back. All right, but I want air coming in. So, okay, so it's gonna reverse. Let me tell you what today's gonna be. Mind you, just for a little context, today's Wednesday. Friday, I'm gonna do the tag. So I feel like that's what this chapter is gonna be about. How to get the party going again, and can I make this legal to drive? Okay, but for today, what I'm feeling from my comfort zone, trim work. Let's see if they line up. One goes on the bottom. Side. 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 And then top. pretty confident that oh, wow. Look how good it looks. So, this door is to be the color of these. This trim is to be that color. I don't have that color. Oh my God. Are we going to Home Depot? I have gift cards. People sent me gift cards for my birthday. So thank you. But you get it? You get it? This has to be the same. Ride my bicycle. Let me ride my bicycle to Home Depot. Let's go. Let's go to Home Depot. Water-based polyurethane and stain pecan. Polystain brush, 2 pencils. My gift card covered all of it except for $1.19. Sand this, fill if need be. Tony's getting his groove back. Tony's getting his groove back. Maybe not. That is a dreadful representation. Did I buy the right one? Okay, here we go. Oof, get ready. But you know, first impression, instinct, it's wrong. That's pink. That is not pecan. That's pink-on. But you know what the really positive thing that happened here? I'm a problem solver. I commit to problems. The fact that this isn't right, woof, I feel like I'm invested. I feel like I'm back. This wood putty needs to dry and I'll sand it again. So I'm also entertaining the idea, like maybe I don't need any more wood grain. Maybe this needs to be solid white because it'll go with the exposed cabinetry. If I were to be completely honest, the purpose of this video is what's gonna happen within these next 8 minutes. And that is, I'm going to the tag office. I have fulfilled what they've asked me to do. Is it enough? About a half hour early. Let's see if they can take me. I have complied to everything they've asked. Walking in with an affidavit seems too good to be true. Let's go. So for the first time in the history of me, I was prepared because on my phone, I have a PDF file of the requirements of the state of Florida for RV box truck conversion. Okay. She knew nothing of this, so once I showed her this and she reread it, she said, okay, we can do this. It comes with complications though. Today's proceedings, which was $80, only allows me to now to get insurance. Okay, with the insurance, for $250, I can then get the registration and the tag. But I now can get affordable insurance with what happened today. So, yeah, a little delayed gratification, but it's good news. It's good news.